Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. Now, in this vlog, I'm going to take you to Friedrichstadt. Before visiting this very cute little town, I have not heard about it and I've never been there before. But when we finished up our weekend in Sankt Peter-Ording, we decided to make a short stop there because it's not quite on the way, but it's very close to Sankt Peter-Ording, so overall it was not that big of a drive. The only problem was that certain parts going there, so streets were closed off, so it was a bit more complicated than it would have been. But normally it's quite easy to go there and then from there back to the Autobahn to go back to Hamburg. Now, Friedrichstadt is very interesting in a way because it does not look like a typical German town. It does not look like an old German town. It looks like a town in the Netherlands. And there's a reason for that, because there were a lot of people from the Netherlands there. So it's kind of like, if you look into the history, I just had a quick look into it. It's like what is it called? The Kaiser gave it to the Netherlands, this part, and that's why it looks like that. But history is not, this channel is not about history. Let's be honest, that's not my forte. But what I love is architecture, and I love everything that's surrounding that. And walking around Friedrichstadt was so much fun because it really felt like being in the Netherlands, and you even have this tiny little canal going through it. So you can even do a Grachtenfahrt in Friedrichstadt if you want to. And all of the buildings kind of look like the buildings I'm used to in Amsterdam, for example. So it was a lot of fun and it was really interesting, and taking pictures was wonderful. So it's the perfect place if you're in Germany and you're close to this and you want to take pictures and show them to people to go, this is what Amsterdam should look like. Then you don't have to go to Amsterdam, you only have to go to Friedrichstadt. Now, the visit made me realize that I have not been to Amsterdam for quite some time. So, one of the upcoming vlogs and one of my upcoming trips will be to Amsterdam. So then you can compare the architecture and the look of the city between Amsterdam and Friedrichstadt. Just remember, Amsterdam is way bigger than this tiny town. Now, I'm going to leave you with the footage, and I hope you enjoy this very beautiful, very picturesque little town in North Germany called Friedrichstadt. Until the next one, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you have not done so, subscribe. You will see some things about Berlin next. You will also see a vlog for London. You will see one for Amsterdam. I'm planning a trip to Malta. And next year I'm planning a very big trip to New Zealand, which you can look forward to. And I can talk about all of these things because all of these things have at least flights booked. Well, Amsterdam, London, and Malta all have also hotels, but New Zealand has the flights booked, so you can look forward to that. And I promise, after the Berlin vlogs, I will try to film myself more, because I did a little survey, and a lot of people said that they would like to see me in the vlogs and not only like this. If you disagree, and if a lot of people disagree, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below. I don't mind not filming myself because I always feel a bit weird leaving my camera sitting around somewhere to film myself, and even more going like this. So, but I will do it if you want to. So feel free to leave that in the comment section below. And other than that, I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, stay healthy, and I'm going to leave you with a heartfelt bye!